Start by opening the magic link provided for integrating with Sage HR. A pop-up will then appear, prompting you to take action. Click on the Allow button to continue. You will be asked to provide the Sage HR subdomain. To find this, go to the Sage HR website and look at the URL tab. Copy the part of the URL that comes before Sage HR and just after HTTPS. Now, paste this into the Sage HR subdomain field and click on the Connect button. For the next step, you will need an API key. Go to the Sage HR website, navigate to your profile settings, and then to the Integration section. Here, choose API and click on Enable API Access. This will generate an API key for you. Copy this key and input it into the API key field. Finally, click on the Connect button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the connection has been successfully established.